Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we got something a little bit different, a little bit crazy. Just gonna show the car, the 2018 Dodge Challenger SXT Plus. It's got sunroof, heated seats, all that good stuff. I'm gonna show you all that good stuff when we get inside it and all that. Car, y'all can see it. It's got the blacked out rims. It's just one thing. Yeah, it's got the sunroof, it's got all that. It's clean too, there's not a scratch on this damn car. Okay. I just got it like 3 months ago, so probably gonna make a lot more stuff with it. It's kind of just like a starter video, kind of like let y'all see what it is, some clips and all that stuff, you know what I mean? But, yeah, don't really got too much personality in the custom crate. I mean, we got like a little license plate, but you know, besides that, you know, I want to get an exhaust on it and all that, get it sounding loud and all that eventually. But
oh, look at this bug. Fuck no.
yeah, we out here in nature, looking nice. Got all this monumental stuff. Got cannons right there. Got statues, and there's a lot more to this park. Probably show y'all later on, but right now today, just gonna do like clips and crazy driving, all that. Maybe do some crazy stuff. about to go get some grub. I don't even know what we're gonna get. We're gonna see. Boy's hangry. He cannot be hangry. Go downtown and all that. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a second.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Are you checking in with your after or rewards points today?
Yeah, I had a mobile order.
Absolutely. What's that info there?
Be for Caleb.
Except for Caleb.
Yeah.
Is it for Caleb?
Yeah.
Was that correct?
Yeah.
Alright, so I just have to confirm here. Is it 2 potato crispies and then a Buc-ee's nugget? The 2 Buc-ee's nuggets with the medium black pepper and the medium bottle less?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh my gosh, you're all good to go. Let's take a window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are entering the national battlefield war zone. This is where the Call of Duty soldiers spawn in.
Hell yeah.
Ski boogies, all that. You'll find it right here in the woods.
Okay.
This is where you enter into the woods. We ain't even took this car through here before yet.
Oh yeah, we haven't. We could roll the windows down, get a shot of the air flowing. I feel like that would be nice. Got automatic windows in this bitch.
Also got a window on the top too.
It's also automatic.
No, yeah. But you know, we would be speeding through these parts because there's people walking. It's like all these cuts and corners.
Right. So
What the hell I was talking about? Got the reverse camera on that thing.
hell yeah. Get the glare off of it. Hold on.
Pop the damn tire.
Oh, 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 oh. All four. All four of them bitches. Whoa. Uh-oh.